Today we'll continue with Matthew 5:48. Therefore be ye perfect, as your Father in heaven is perfect.
Matej 5:48 nadaljujemo, bodite popolni, tako kot je vaš nebeški Oče popoln.
What was Jesus talking about when he said those words? Did he mean that you would be perfect and sinless?
Kaj je Jezus mislil s tem, naj bomo popolni? Ali je mislil, da smo popolni in brez greha?
No, he meant that you would come to completion, to wholeness and maturity in Christ.
Ne, on je mislil to, da si dopolnjen, celoviten in zrel v Kristusu.
Right before Jesus said this, he says, therefore, in light of what I've been teaching you, I want you to be perfect as your Father in heaven is perfect.
In predtem je dal določena učenja, in na katerih je potem osnoval to izjavo, zatorej bodite popolni, kot je popoln vaš nebeški Oče.
And he said, you have heard it said, love your neighbor and hate your enemy.
Slišali ste, da je bilo rečeno, ljubi svojega bližnjega in sovraži svojega sovražnika.
But I tell you, love your enemies and pray for those who persecute you, that you may be the children of your Father in heaven.
Jaz pa vam pravim, ljubite svoje sovražnike, da boste posnemovalci vašega Očeta v nebesih.
He causes the sun to rise on the evil and on the good.
On povzroči, da sonce sije na zlobne in na dobre.
And sends rain on the righteous and the unrighteous.
On pošilja dež na pravične in na nepravične.
If you love those who love you, what reward will you get?
Če ljubite samo tiste, ki vas ljubijo, kakšna nagrada vam gre?
Are not even tax collectors doing that?
Ali ne delajo tudi cestninarji enako?
If you greet only your own people, what are you doing more than others? Do not even pagans do that?
Če samo ljubite te, ki vas ljubijo, kakšna nagrada vam gre? Ali ne delajo enako tudi pogani?
Be therefore perfect as your Father in heaven is perfect.
Bodite torej popolni, tako kot je popoln vaš nebeški Oče.
It all goes back to love.